Hello, good morning. My name is Lani. I will be your nurse today. I'm going to be doing musculoskeletal assessment on you today, and I'm going to close the curtain, wash my hands, go to the computer, see if there's any pending orders, and ask the patient anong pangalan nyo?
Maria Dios Wow.
And patingin ng arm, anong birthday mo?
March 3, 1941.
Okay. I'll be checking her wristband. Okay, everything what she said matches her wristband or armband. And any medical history, family, any surgery in the past, or any like nabalian ka ng buto, any broken bones in the past, meron kayo na-surgery ka kasi nabalian ka ng buto?
This one.
Ha? Nabalian ka ng buto?
Dito.
Hindi, nabalian ka ng buto.
Wala.
No broken bones.
No.
Okay, meron kang yung so she has a pain on her right here,
Yeah.
right on her upper shoulder, on the right side, and nose, patingin, ganyan ka, ganyan, ganyan, yeah, ganyan, okay, this one, yeah, okay, any pain, masakit?
No.
Okay, no pain, no stiffness. So full range of motion on her shoulder. Kamusta yung pagkain mo?
Okay.
Okay, her diet is good. Okay. Nagsisigaret ka or umiinom ka? Okay, she doesn't smoke, she doesn't drink alcohol, no surgery in the past on her, any of her bones. Okay. Nabalian ka ba ng mga buto dyan sa paa mo?
No, wala.
No previous surgeries, no fractures, no pain except on her back, on the right side of her shoulder. And nag-ano ka umiinom ka ng gamot? May gamot ka mga iniinom?
Wala.
She doesn't take any medication. Okay. Okay. Titingnan ko. May masakit ba dito? Masakit? Okay. Masakit dito?
Wala.
Okay. So the patient's color is appropriate to her race, no sign of cyanosis, no sign of edema on all of her limbs. Okay. Okay, ganyan. Okay. 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 No sign of crepitus. And her skin turgor comes back
Hindi ako
slowly, and no sign of dehydration. Okay. Kurutin ka lang kita dito. Okay. So okay. Skin turgor on both, all limbs, all four limbs. Sorry, all four limbs they come back slowly. It's okay. Okay, no sign of crepitus, I said. Yeah, okay.
Ning may vitamin ka ba? Pahingin ko.
Okay, she wants to take vitamin. She said she wants to. My mother's talking, so she's got dementia. So, titingnan ko ha. So, ganyan. Baba mo ulo mo. Yep. Taas mo. Yep. Tingin ka doon. Yep, yep. Dito naman. Yep. Masakit? No.
This one. Masakit.
So her, like, behind her neck on the right side is painful, she said. So, ganyan. Sige. Itulak mo yung, ano ko, yung kamay ko. Okay. Okay, good. Do the same. Yeah, ganyan din. Okay. Okay. So, there's no difficulty pushing my hands and bilaterally. Okay. And, tingnan ko yung, so, say, ah. Oh my gosh. So, okay. Nay. Goodness. Sorry. She's senile. Okay. I-ano mo, patingin ng, patingin ng kamay mo. Ganyan ka. Ganyan. Ganyan. Yan. Tapos, tulak mo yung kamay ko. Okay. Tulak mo. Good. Now, ganyan ka. Ganyan. Okay? Ganyan. Okay. Ganun din. Okay? Okay. Good job. Okay. Tapos, ganun. Ganyan. Yep. Ganyan ka. Yep. Both hands. Ganyan. Pareho. Okay. Good. Okay. Tapos. Okay. Okay. Good. Tapos ganyan. Yep. Good. Other side. Yep. Okay. Yung paa naman. Your legs. Okay. Left. Okay. Other. Okay. Okay. Your feet. Tulak mo yung feet. Push my feet. My hands. Yep. Push my hands down. Yep. Push my hands down. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Tapos, ganyan. I-ano mo, yung paa mo. Ganyan, paa mo. Your feet, side to side. Put your feet side to side. Yeah. Oh. I don't know if you could see that. Okay, put yung feet mo side to side. No, side to side. I need to see. Okay. Ganyan. No. Ganyan. Yeah, ganyan. Ganyan. Okay. Okay. In your... Tayo ka. Tayo. Okay. Ganyan ka. Okay. Yung kaliwa. Okay. Good. Okay, upo ka na. Okay. And then ganyan ka din. Ganyan. Good. Okay.
Araw-araw naman ako naglalakad dyan sa harapan. Doon sa amin.
So she... Okay. Fix my pants. Okay. Your chin. Okay, we did your legs and your knee. Your foot. And we did your shoulder. No. Patingin. Yung elbows mo. Okay, yeah.
Hindi ako naglo-lotion eh.
It's okay, it's good. Okay. Okay, no sign of redness, no deformities, no sign of
Kulubot yan.
inflammation, no sign of edema there, or dehydration. And No sign of any cuts. Okay, same thing on this side, on the right side. Okay, go ahead. Ganyan. Good. Good. Ganyan ka?
Mhm.
Ganyan. No, this way. Yeah, forward. Ganyan. Yep, forward. Yep. Yep. Up.
Araw-araw ganyan ako ning.
Yep.
Araw-araw.
Yep, ganyan. Tapos ganyan. Ganyan. Yep. Good. Good. Okay.
Araw-araw ako nagtataas ng kamay.
Okay. So her hands and wrists. Capillaries, they come back within 2 seconds. Turn pink. Okay, okay. Any pain? No pain, any pain there?
No.
No sign of fracture or inflammation. Okay, no tenderness. Okay, her shoulders full range. All her limbs, all 4 limbs. All the limbs are their full range of motion. Just gonna check the capillary on her toes. Okay, other side. So her, okay, and they're normal. Okay, so there's no sign on her chin, no sign of inflammation, no sign of tenderness, or they're all symmetrical. Okay, tayo ka, tayo. Just gonna have you stand up. Okay, let me see your back. Okay. Okay. Ganon, 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 ganon. Yep. Okay. No sign of scoliosis. Her spine is straight or scoliosis. Upo ka na, upo, upo. Sit down. Thank you. Or, okay. I think tayo ka pa ulit. Okay. Any pain when you stand up? Meron kang masaktan pag tumatayo ka? Any pain when you stand up, sit down and standing up? No pain? Do it again. Okay, good. Okay. Go like this, side to side. Side to side. Yep. Yep, yep. Okay. Any pain?
No.
Okay. Okay. Ganyan. Ganyan ka. Yep. Yep. Okay. Good. Okay. Yep. Any pain?
No.
Okay, good. Okay. Sa kabila naman, ganyan ka. Yep. Good. Any pain?
No.
Okay. 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 Ganon ka naman. Ikot ka. Ganyan. Ganyan. Rotate. Ganyan. No. Yung bewang mo lang iikot mo. Yan. Yeah. Any pain? Any pain?
No.
Okay. No pain. Okay. So, full range of motion. Okay. Okay. Upo ka na, upo. Sit down. Okay. So, I did check her knee. So, there's no any pain? Okay. Okay. Any pain?
No.
Okay. Ganon. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Ganon. Cross. Any pain?
No.
Any pain?
No.
Okay. Okay. Good.
No.
Let me see. I'm
Ang
sure
sarap.
that they don't.
Ang sarap
Yeah.
naman.
They can see you. Okay. Okay. Puro natin yung kupuan. Okay. Oh. Just wanted to check. Okay. Any pain? Any pain?
Wala.
Any? Okay, no
No.
pain.
Wala.
Any pain? Okay.
No.
Any pain?
No.
Okay. Okay. So full range of motion, no pain, no sign of no calluses, no sign of edema. Like I said earlier, the capillary are within 2 seconds, and her skin turgor are normal. They come back. Her skin are smooth, moist, not dry, no sign of scaling, no sign of edema. They're pink and moist. And okay, what else? Okay, so we did the ankle, your feet, your no calluses, your knee, we did your hips, and we did your hands, we did your elbow, we did your shoulder, we did your the okay. Any pain? Okay, good. Okay, let me see. Go like that. Let me see. Okay. Okay, any pain there?
No.
Okay, any pain there? Okay. Go. Iikot mo yung ano mo. Yep. Yep. Okay. Iikot mo. Taas mo. Taas. Yep. Tapos baba. Good. Okay. Yeah, yung shoulder mo. So, we'll do this again. Any pain here?
No.
No pain? When you put it up, any pain?
No.
No? No pain? Any pain?
No.
Okay. Any pain? Okay, do the other side. Okay. Go like this. 2. Okay. Any pain there? Okay. Up. Any pain? Okay. Any pain? Okay, go like that. Any pain? Any pain? Okay. Hey. Okay, we did your wrist. Okay. Masakit dito? No.
Ito nga.
So she said her
Dito lang naman yung sa
on the back of her neck is painful.
Sa batok lang
Okay,
naman.
Mrs. Quahow, thank you. We're all done. Thank you so much. And now I'll make a note and chart everything I found on your musculoskeletal assessment today. Thank you again for your time. And if there's anything else I could get you before I leave the room, just let me know. So the doctor will see you when he comes in this morning. And she kept looking at
Tatangos ko ulo.
so okay, so I will wash my hand, open the curtain, and chart. Thank you.